Alright, now we're going to see if we can get this monster off. It should just pop off. There's no more bolts holding it on, aside from these ones. They're not really done up all that tight, they're just... Oh, this one I did back up again. With a bit of gentle persuasion with the hammer, it should pop off. Should. The Watsy pump's still attached, so... It's coming. There we go. Those don't go into the aluminium by the look of it. I'll probably just get new ones. Or you go with cat screws or something like that. Go. Pop this on the ground and we'll have a look at it. So, that's what we got there. That's like the thing that does the meshes in with the oil pump. Gasket's a little weird. Not sure that's the gasket that's supposed to be there. Oh well. Again, more things living in there. Again, see, more things living in there. It's been a home for something. All in all though, that's pretty good. That's not all blocked up and pitted. So overall the block's good. It's just that aluminium bit that was chewed out. As you can see, it's well chewed out. Very well chewed out. It's like a bit of cardboard. That's the oil pump. That's seized up, something royal. I don't think that's ever gonna... I'll just get another one. Or use one of the ones I've got. Interesting to see how the injection pump is fed. But I dare say that it might be a candidate for a rebuild. I'll work out what to do next.